In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your GCash limit. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to manage your GCash account limits effectively. First, open the GCash app on your mobile device. This is your starting point for managing all your transactions and limits. The app is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it easy to navigate. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, as GCash needs a stable connection to function smoothly. Once you have the app open, log into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your profile. Logging in ensures that you are the authorized user accessing the account, which is important for maintaining security. Always keep your login details private to protect your account from unauthorized access. After logging in, take a look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see the profile icon there. Tap on it to access your account settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your GCash account, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Next up, within the Profile section, look for an option that says Profile Limits or Account Limits. Tap on it to view your transaction limits. This step is crucial because it gives you a clear overview of how much you can store, receive, and spend. Knowing these limits helps you plan your transactions better. At this point, you will see three main limits displayed: wallet limit, incoming limit, and outgoing limit. The wallet limit refers to the maximum balance you can keep in your GCash account. It's essential to be aware of this so you don't accidentally exceed your limit, which could lead to transaction issues. The incoming limit is the maximum amount you can receive into your account. This is particularly important if you are expecting large payments. Understanding your incoming limit ensures that you can plan accordingly and make necessary arrangements if you are close to reaching it. Lastly, the outgoing limit shows the maximum amount you can send or spend from your account. This information is vital for budgeting your expenses and making sure you do not run into any surprises when trying to make a payment or transfer. GCash allows you to check these limits anytime, giving you the flexibility to stay informed about your account's status. This feature is beneficial because it empowers you to manage your finances effectively and make informed decisions. Remember, keeping track of your limits is a proactive step in ensuring smooth financial transactions. If you ever find your limits restrictive, consider reaching out to GCash support for possible adjustments or upgrades. They may have options to suit your needs better. Now you know how to access and check your GCash limits. This knowledge will help you avoid any unexpected interruptions in your financial activities. Keep these steps in mind, and you'll be well prepared to manage your GCash account efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember to stay informed and in control of your finances. See you in the next video.